When people think of Venmo, they often assume it only works for domestic transfers. But with the right setup, you can actually send money abroad with Venmo International online in a smooth and secure way. The first step is linking your Venmo account with an international payment partner. While Venmo itself doesn't directly handle global transfers, it connects with PayPal's global rails, allowing you to move funds internationally. Once your PayPal is linked, you can send money to overseas bank accounts or wallets in countries like India, the UK, Canada, and Australia. One of the smartest ways to use Venmo for international transfers is by converting your Venmo balance into PayPal balance before sending abroad. This method ensures faster clearing times and reduces double conversion charges that normally apply when routing through traditional banks. Okay, so now, let's explore 5 hidden tricks and offers that actually make Venmo international transfers much more rewarding. First up, Weekend Exchange Boost. By transferring during off-peak hours, Venmo often applies a slightly favorable conversion rate, since global servers are, less congested. Next, linked credit card cashback. Certain US banks offer 1 to 2% cashback when funding Venmo transfers through their credit cards, which indirectly reduces your cost. So, here's something cool. On certain payment routes, if you're using Venmo to PayPal linked wallets, you actually get your transfer fees waived for the first transaction of the month. That's a pretty sweet deal, right? And here's another tip. Sometimes, if you split your transfer into 2 smaller amounts instead of sending one big amount, you can avoid those higher tier service charges. This is especially handy when you're sending more than $2,000. Hidden referral benefit. When you invite someone abroad to join PayPal through your Venmo-linked invite, you both can earn credits redeemable against international transfer fees. Using these techniques, you not only save on fees but also speed up the overall transaction time. And since PayPal's backend supports over 200 markets, Venmo's international reach extends farther than most people realize. Security is another plus. Every international Venmo transfer inherits PayPal's 2-step authentication, buyer protection, and encryption layers, making it a safer choice compared to many new money transfer apps.